Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Maybe you forget your Simpin, you just have a lot of some numbers in your head, can't get it straight. Maybe someone found out about your Simpin and I don't know, you think they might steal your SIM card or something. I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Huawei. And for that you need to go to your settings and then go to security, go to Simpin and change Simpin 1. Now you need to put in your current Simpin and then put in your new Simpin, retype that, and 1 2 3 4 4 times 0, stuff like that. It's not the most secure one. You want to get a bit creative here, but we'll do that for, well, example reasons right now. So if you've done that, you can just go back, and then if you restart your phone, use your new Simpin to get back into your phone and to unlock your SIM card. So that's how you can change your Simpin on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, sharing, subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.